Welcome back to Sisters for All.
Today we'll be reviewing Squid Game Punch-Out Calendar. And we've been waiting for this package to arrive so long. So today we're going to open it.
So today the numbers are all mixed up, so all together we are going to open it.
Okay, let's start. Oops. Oh gosh.
Oh wow.
Is there anything? Nope. Okay, let's start with the top row. Oh, what's in here? Oh.
I'll get this one and you get this one. You get.
Ooh.
Wow.
These are like these, like, when you put it down, it goes on the, it's not working. This is like a little cute red and a thingy, and it looks like it has a little hat on it, and it has like,
It looks like an alien.
yeah, it kind of does.
So maybe when you push it down, it hops like.
Yeah,
Okay.
it kind of does. Okay,
Now
let's
open this.
that. I don't know. It seems like a puzzle-ish ball,
Same with this one.
but it's a square.
Yeah.
Something like that.
I think it's like a.
It's so colorful.
Yeah, with the pink, red, green,
Especially
and
about, like, there's like a neon pink, a bright lime yellow, green, and there's a very bright yellow, and then there's just like
Neon.
a pearlish white.
Same with this one, but it's a cube.
It looks like right in the next one, there is a lime green snake. It's very bright.
It was in the
a
ball.
snake.
Yeah, snake bowl.
You can make all sorts of things in it. Okay, now let's move on.
Now we're gonna do the
How do you open this? Here. Oh, did you catch it? Let's see.
Oh, don't the bottom.
Oh.
I was like, wait a minute, I thought it was on the top.
Oh my gosh. As you can see, there's like this hole so you can hang it on your backpack or anything. And it looks like it's one of the guards from Squid Game. It's Enforcer Square right here.
Okay. Now we're gonna. I think these are bobble things.
Bobble head. Look at this. It looks so cute. It's like a little baby.
Yeah.
And there's this guy with some hair.
That's the main character, and these are the enforcers.
What's inside of
Let's
here?
see what it
Wait,
does.
there's something in here.
Wow!
It's a marble.
Got it. Is there anything?
There's like
I
glue.
think you weren't supposed to do that. I think it was.
Well, I did it.
I think you broke it.
Yeah,
Do you know how to put it back?
Yeah, obviously. You told baby. Okay, now
open
let's
this?
move on to the next thing.
Right now.
Now there's this fidget pad that's really colorful.
It's a tie-dye one.
Yeah, and it's like a light switch, a remote. It has these pretty buttons. I wonder what this part is. This part, it can roll. And then also, it's so hard to roll. Here. It seems very colorful. Okay.
The next one is this nice maple.
It has all sorts of colors. The blue, green, purple, orange, and yellow. Let's see how it feels. Wow. As you can see, it's very clear and it has nice textures and quality. The colors are purple, a bright green,
Neon.
and then a neon yellow, and then there's this only one orange that's really bright, and then there's blue. Very clear.
Okay, now we have the Squid Game Infinity Cube.
So here are the characters in there, and the enforcers. Okay. Now, I want to move on to
all these balls. Okay.
There's something inside. 3,
2, 1.
What is this? It's like Hello Kitty.
Oh, yes,
Melody. Oh, what do you do with this? I don't know.
So
It looks
cute.
really cute though.
And it's kind of transparent. It's Hello Kitty, and this is Melody, the bunny, and Hello Kitty, the kitty.
Melody is my favorite color for a fact.
Okay,
Character on that.
how about we do the middle and the last?
So now we have this. It looks like a wacky track.
Oh, I think I know what it is. So it's like this thing, and then you do this to spin.
Oh, the wacky track
Hold on.
spinner.
Fidget
spinner.
Nice,
Wow.
really cool. And it has purple, and then this mint teal color, aquish, and then we got yellow, orange, and then pink.
Hello, my name is Mr.
And
Munchkin.
that's how it's
I am very orange. Yeah.
Next, we'll move on to this very sus teal Among Us pocket. Dun 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 dun. I know. What is this made out of? Hello.
Hello. My name is Orange.
Yeah. Okay, now here's the pocket. As you can see, it has nice quality. Is that the soft side?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. It's very clicky.
And here's the other side.
I have been playing with this Simple Dimple, and I realized this is very small. Like, it's so small. But here are the colors: a bright pink and a very bright blue. Next, we have this milk tea. I don't know what it is.
Oh,
And I know it's quack things that make sound.
what is it?
It's sticky for
I
sure.
think
You put it on your finger.
Wait, do you launch it?
Oh, I think so.
Wow.
Yeah,
Still very.
it's very thin too. Do you guys want to
So
move in?
here's what it looks inside. I know it's very crazy.
Okay, now
Oh,
we'll move into the middle.
But we're not done with the middle.
Middle?
I mean,
Yeah, let me get some tape. Hold on. All the fidgets are. Oh, look, we got another simple.
Wow. Okay.
This is a mess. Okay, next we have this the doll from Green Light, Red Light, Squid Game. And as you can see, there is this nice blue, a light orange, and a light yellow. It's a triple dimple. Yeah, and let's see how it feels. As you can see, the blue one is bigger than the orange and yellow, but they all feel very good, and it has nice quality. Can I feel? Yeah. Wow. It looks so realistic.
Wow.
Okay, next we have this thing. It's like a fidget spinner. And it says
What you are?
square, round,
Or
triangle. It tells you what, it has
you are.
a spinner, so it says this. And once it's done, it will see which one you think. So, we'll wait. Square!
We are square.
I'm
glad to be on duty.
Next, we have another one of these guard dimples, but instead of a square, we have a circle.
Wow.
As you can
Just
see.
like the pop.
They're both very identical.
Yes.
But except for the shapes. We have another baby.
But, oh, I think it's. Oh, yeah. It's another one.
It's crewing. Okay, now we have
Spiky balls.
Spiky
We have a blue and a
And
red
red.
one. It's a very weird texture, but spiky.
Next, we have this maze with little marbles. A tiny, very tiny marble that you can do.
There's a marble in there, so
Can I
technically you're supposed to get it out and then roll it like this and then
And then I think you're trying to get it right here.
probably.
Right
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, we have these two next ones. We have the octopus Squid Game thing. So when you spin it,
It'll show you what shape you have, and there's all these colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and pink.
I think when you pop it, it spins.
Let's see.
Oh, that's how you do it.
What?
Oh no, we still went on the blank.
Okay, let's try again. What shape?
We got square.
Yeah, the commander.
Okay, now next we have another one of these, but it's
different color.
It's a different color, and it's a triangle too. They're all very identical, like I said, for these two, but instead of pink and blue, we have yellow and orange. Okay. As here, we'll show you all the things we revealed. Wait, for the last
Just one more.
Oh, there's
Two more.
Two more.
This marble mesh, it's green, very bright. First, when I saw it, I thought it was black, but then when I got a closer look, it's not black.
And now we have one of these square mazes
again.
like the square.
Wait, oh, this is like kind of like a
Big brother and
This is a cube and a square.
Okay.
Oh, we just missed something. This
this
cube the maze cube has the color blue. Now we
orange and yellow.
We missed
A very dark
something.
orange ring.
We missed this.
Acupressure ring.
It's a very pretty bright silver color.
And now we're going to show you all the things we will do. Okay. So first, let's do the biggest. This Among Us teal poppy. We have another one of these, but instead of all the colorful ones, it's only a plain teal, and it's running. And it's very clicky, running from the imposter. Okay, next, we'll do the DNA ball. Very colorful, and the outside is like oily, but it's not really. And when you squish it, you can really see it. Next, we have these. We have these. The Wappy tracks. As you can see, you can put it in any shape. Like this shape. Yeah. And either way, it still spins really good. And it's nice to play with. Now we have the octopus. Yeah. Spinner. Dimple. Okay, let's spin it. And it has lots of colors. And when you spin it, you land on a shape. And we got square again. Okay. Well, good. Now we're going to count all the fidgets. Okay. Who wants to count it?
I'll count it.
Okay. Let's put this on here for a platform. First, we have the Among Us poppet. So that counts as 1. Okay. Now we have this spin thing. You land on, you get the triangle, square, or 2, 3, DNA ball, 4, spiky ball. All of these wobblers. So it says 3, 4, and then 4 more is 8. Put that right there. Another spiky ball, which is 9, 10 for marble mesh, 11 for this wacky tracks spinner. And then now we have the Squid Game infinity cube. So what? 12. And next we have all of these as 3, and 12 plus 3 is 15.
So 15. And then we have the Squid Game doll, which is
16.
yeah.
And then we have this octopus Squid Game dimple
Spinner dimple.
thing.
Okay.
So 17. And then
18 for this bright, colorful ball.
18?
Yeah, 18.
Now 19 for this square, colorful
Cute.
square.
Cute. Now,
For aliens as 20 and 21. I think you're supposed to put it on your fingers to wear it. Yeah. Like this. I want to wear it.
Okay.
So 21. And 20. Yeah,
now we have this fidget pad, which counts as 22,
which is kind of nice. 23 as this lime green snake. And then these two puzzle maze things. This is a cube and this is a square. We'll count that as 24 and 25. And these as 26 and 27. And then this is the
20.
slingshot chicken.
28.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And this acupressure ring as 29. And here,
for the last one, 30, the baby.
so we counted all the way to 30 fidgets in the Squid Game package.
We hope you like our review, and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and like. And comment down what your favorite fidget toy was.
Subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Comment what your favorite fidget was. See you next week. Bye!